Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Venmo to your Coinbase. Now, first you need to do is open up your Venmo app and then click on this crypto option from the bottom of your screen. Then on this screen, you will be able to see all of your cryptocurrency that you currently have in your account. Now, I currently have the Bitcoin, so I will just transfer Bitcoin from here. So you need to tap on the cryptocurrency, and on the screen you have to click on this double arrow right next to this sell button at the bottom of your screen. Then from this pop-up window you have to click on send. Now on this top input bar you have to paste the wallet address from your Coinbase. So open up your Coinbase app and then click on this search icon and then search for the cryptocurrency that you are transferring from the Venmo. So I will just search for Bitcoin and then select the Bitcoin from here, and then you just have to click on receive button and you will be able to get your wallet address. So just click on this copy button right next to your Bitcoin address or any cryptocurrency address. Then go back to the Venmo app and then paste the wallet address in the area that I have showed you, and then it will list the person that is related to the that that address is related to the person. You just have to tap on it and then this will open up this similar screen. From here you have to just enter the amount how much you want to transfer and then click on review transfer. After you do that, you just have to review the wallet address, network, and the amount are correct, and then click on transfer button. And once you do that, your cryptocurrency will be transferred from Venmo to your Coinbase. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.